Okay, in the last video I forgot to mention one thing that I wanted to just do right now, so this is going to be a little add-on, so it's going to be posted separately, but just go look, it'll be there with the rest of the videos. This one is the gelatin results. So I told you for all of the plates that you're looking for that zone of clearing as a positive result. The starch you had added the iodine, but the rest of them were just the plate itself. I forgot to mention the gelatin. So if you recall Jell-O, okay, so think of gelatin as being similar to Jell-O in consistency, maybe a little bit harder than Jell-O, but when you let Jell-O sit at room temperature, it will melt, okay? Gelatin is the same way, okay? So these will be sitting in the incubator at 37 degrees and they're obviously going to melt. Well, the result that you're looking for is, does it solidify or does it remain a liquid when cooled? So what we're going to do is, there are a couple ways to do this. We could put them in an ice bath for 30 minutes or we could put them in the fridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your gelatin out of the fridge, out of the incubator, and put them in the fridge at the beginning of class so that you'll have a result by the time you go to do it. Okay? So if the gelatin, once refrigerated, remains a solid, so I'm turning this and there's no liquid coming. Okay? If it remains a solid, that is a negative result, because the bacteria did not have the gelatinase to break it down. If once refrigerated it remains a liquid, that's a positive result, because the gelatinase has broken down the gelatin in the media. Okay, so for the gelatin tubes, we're going to put them in the refrigerator, wait, and then you're going to look to see if it remains a solid, or if it becomes a solid in the fridge, or if it remains a liquid. The other thing about this test, the gelatinase, is it can take up to 7 days for that result to happen. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at them on the second day after 48 hours. Then you're going to put the gelatin back in the incubator. The cultures in the gelatin, you're going to put them back in the incubator. The following week, you're going to look at them at a second time. And you're going to see if it has slow or fast. So if it happened within 2 days, or it may take 7 days for that result. So this lab will actually extend an extra day just because of the gelatin tubes.